Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Best of PowerPoint and in this all new quick tip series. Today I will show you how to insert a video from YouTube or any other website into your PowerPoint slide. Open up your PowerPoint slide and go to Insert tab. Hit the video button and select Online Video from the drop down menu. Here you can either search for a YouTube video or paste the URL of the video from any other external site. I will search for my video which I had made on how to animate credit titles like Hollywood movies. Click on the video and click Insert. You can set the dimensions of the video as per your requirement. Now let's play the slideshow and see how it works. So PowerPoint will automatically fetch the video from the internet. This means that you must have an active internet connection to play the video. Just click on the video and the video starts playing. The amazing part of this feature is that you get all the tools of the YouTube player inside your slideshow, such as to play and pause, adjust the volume, turn the subtitles on or off, and you can even set the playback quality of the video. Now you don't need to minimize your PowerPoint slide and open a separate browser to show any online video to your audience. With this feature, you can simply amaze your audiences by inserting any video from the internet and playing it online while presenting your slideshow. So that's it guys. I hope that this video was helpful to you. Please like and share the video and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.